Chief Curator Chi started chirping after I turned the camera off. There you go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I'm going to re-video this. It's always good to have foul feedback. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Don't ask me to do such a complicated, multi-layered frame molding frame again. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Okay, this is all done. Took a lot of work. And it's heavy. I'm going to add another picture hanging wire on the back here. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Excellent work on your part. Feedback is always appreciated, darling. You too, Prime Minister Mazel. Okay. Two allegorical wooden sea monsters down here. President Trump, late deposed autocratic dictator Muammar Qaddafi of Libya. Also autocratic, anti-democratic president. Okay. So long ago, 51 years come September and to December. Wow, I did these in autumn. One of them sometime between September and December, and the other one dated December 1974 for an art class my sophomore year at SIU Carbondale, Southern Illinois University. Fundamentals of art class. All the students in the class made a workbook. These are among my drawings and a lino cut or two in my workbook, along with a whole lot of text. Okay, Karen Hunt of blessed memory. Age 20, she had her whole life ahead of her. Allegorical sea monsters. An anthill I drew in West Palm Beach, Florida, which reminded me of a cloud when I saw it not long ago. Seaweed I drew in August 1987 in Aberdeen, Scotland, on the beach. And two trees, houses, some kind of toy plane, and a seagull I drew from the kitchen window and backyard of retired school teachers, school librarian friends, and colleagues in Montefiore, Scotland. All right, there you have it. Thanks again, Dr. Chi. Good work, darling.